Hey there, welcome back to this video. Today, I'll show you how to add borders to HTML elements. It's pretty simple. In HTML we have one heading and one paragraph. To create a border, we need to set the border style. By default, it's set to none. However, we can change it to different styles like solid, dashed, dotted, and more. Let's start by trying the solid. Use border style property and set it to solid. This will apply a plain and continuous border. Now, let's switch to the dashed style and see how it looks. This style will give us a border with dashed lines. Finally, let's try the dotted style. This will create a border with small dots. You can also adjust the border width using pixels. Let's set it to 5 pixels. If you want to change the color of the border, you can use the property border color. You can pick any color you like. In this case, I'll stick with tomato. Additionally, you can round the corners of the border by setting a border radius. Let's set the border radius to 8 pixels. The higher the number, the smoother the rounding. To add some spacing between the text and the border, you can use padding. Padding value will be 20 pixels. This gives a bit of breathing room. Now, let's focus on the H1 header tag. You can specify different border sides, such as top, bottom, left, and right. For example, I'll set the border top style to dotted. And the border bottom style as well, just to make it look cool. We can even customize the left side border by specifying border left style, solid. Also set width and color by using border width and border color. I'll set it to 10 pixels with a blue color. So that's how you add borders to HTML elements. You can customize them by changing the style, width, color, radius, and even specific sides like the top, bottom, left, or right. To simplify the border code, you can use the border shorthand property, which combines the border width, style, and color into a single declaration. Let's use the border property and set the border width to 5 pixels. Then, you can specify the border style as solid, dashed, or dotted, and for this example, we'll use the solid style. Finally, you can define the color of the border, such as green. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, activating the notification bell for future video updates, and leaving random comments.